Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to make your own WhatsApp stickers on Android phone. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and make sure your WhatsApp app up to date. From chats, open any conversation to send stickers. Now tap emoji icon on bottom left corner of the screen. Then tap on the sticker icon that appears on the right of the message box. Here you will see create your own stickers. Use your photos to make stickers. Now you will see a big green pencil icon alongside your recently used stickers. Tap green create button. This will directly open your photo gallery. Now select the image that you want to use to make a sticker. As soon as you select the picture, WhatsApp will automatically create a cutout of it. Now you can choose to add text. Tap text icon on top right, then add text. Tap sticker icon to add more sticker. Also, you can add emojis to customize your sticker. Once done, press the send icon and your custom sticker will be sent to the recipient. That's it. You have successfully created your very first WhatsApp sticker. Now you can tap on the sticker once that you sent and select add to favorites to save your masterpiece for future use. From recents, you can send your created stickers several times. So these are the steps to create your own WhatsApp stickers on Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.